I'm Christy from the phone shop. How can I help you?
Yeah, you guys fixed my phone and it's not working, so I'm gonna need you to go ahead and take care of that for me right now.
Well, that's unfortunate. That doesn't usually happen, but I'll go ahead and take a look at it. I see a crack in the glass, which is obviously what broke the LCD. Unfortunately, I don't warranty broken glass. I can give you a discount on a part.
It was broke before it was broke. You're going to fix it.
Unfortunately, I will not warranty something that I did not break, but I will give you a discount on the part and the labor. Okay, now that we have that cleared up, have a great day. Be careful with your phone, and remember that Samsung parts are expensive.